Greetings, Taurus. Welcome to our new friends. Welcome, returning friends. Welcome back to Taurus's message. So we are going to take a look, Taurus. What is the present energy for you at this time? What is the present energy for Taurus at this time? Present energy for Taurus at this time. Present energy for Taurus at this time. Present energy. Oh, wow. Just need one card. Oh, and oh, the truth. Whew. Okay, someone doesn't want the truth to come out. Someone wants to hide the truth about some type of conflict here with this Five of Swords. Someone is hiding the truth about something. Taurus. So there could be some lies that is going about, and someone is trying to hide it. Someone is trying to prevent this truth from coming out. Someone does not want the truth to be revealed. They could be holding some secrets or some things close to their heart, or trying to hold something close to their chest. There may have been a lot of gossip and backbiting happening, and someone is not wanting that to be revealed, because the Ace of Swords was in reverse. So that being the present energy, this Taurus, with this, someone doesn't know someone does not want you to know what's really going on, what they're really doing, what their motives are, what their ulterior motives are, if they have in. They don't want you to know that they've been working against you behind the scenes. So someone has been working against you behind the scenes without you. You could have knowledge of it. You could have wind of it. You could have felt as though something just wasn't right, or something, someone just wasn't right. You know, just a little too good to be true. It's because someone has been trying to hide something. So, wow, what's influencing this? Oh, goodness. Child. We got the Four of Wands in reverse and the Nine of Pentacles. Someone could be this could have this is a someone is not financially, someone is not secure here. Someone has a foundation here. Someone has a foundation that they may have let go of. Someone has let go of a relationship or a home. Someone has possibly lost a home. Someone is no longer wanting to put the effort in. Someone is no longer wanting to put the effort in. We have the Nine of Pentacles here as well. So someone may, for some of you, someone clearly is just not single. Others of you, someone may have lost a home foundation, some type of security that they may have had. Someone could be there could be something that pretentious is happening, pretending to have some type of stability. Someone is pretending to have a secure foundation. So, or for others of you, someone is clearly just not single. They are in a connection. There's a connection here that someone is trying to hide. Okay. We have, okay, yeah, someone is lying. With this Seven of Swords, someone is lying. Someone is lying, and someone is being very deceptive. This is deceit. Someone is trying to deceive. Someone is trying to deceive someone, deceive you. Either this is you, Taurus, or someone is trying to deceive you. There's betrayal here. There's a lot of betrayal. This is probably Seven of Swords. There's betrayal. There's Seven of Swords. Yeah, 7. Someone is trying to cause an illusion. We have, wow, the tree of life. So someone is trying to cause illusions here to your foundation. Someone is trying to mislead you. There could, yeah, someone could be trying to mislead you here. Someone could be trying to steal some money here. Someone is trying to rob someone of an inheritance here. Someone is trying to steal someone's inheritance. Yeah. Someone is trying to steal, and they don't want you to know. Someone could be trying to, someone could be pretending to be a friend. But they're not. Okay, what is this for? Wow, yeah. Someone is working hard. Someone is working hard to cause an illusion. Someone is working very, very hard to, someone is working very, very hard to cause an illusion, to cause an upheaval, to create some type of loss. To create some type of loss for you. Either this is you, Taurus, or someone is doing this to you. Or yeah, this is happening to you. Someone is trying to cause illusions, working hard to project, this is the, wow. Someone is working hard to project this energy so that you can someone is trying to steal your inheritance, and they're working very, very hard to do so. They're putting in a lot of work to do it. And this, yeah, they're working hard to do this. They're working hard to try and create fear and doubt so that you will lose your focus, to redirect your focus. They're trying to cause you to redirect your focus by creating illusions and instilling, they're trying to instill fear and doubt in you so that you won't maintain your focus on what is going. They're trying to cause instability to your security, your home life. So yeah, so that you won't remain focused. Someone is trying to redirect your attention. They're trying to redirect your attention, and they're doing a lot of work because they want things to fall apart for you. Look at that volcano erupting out back there. And they want things to, they want you to not succeed. So someone is wanting things to you to not succeed here. Wow. External. See external here. Yeah, they're working hard to do it. They putting in a lot of work. Somebody is working hard to cause this for you, to cause you to miss out on something, or to cause you to redirect your focus. We have expectations. You may have been expecting things to work out differently or turn out differently. Look at this. We have the coffin here in reverse. So something, they're trying not to, they don't want something to come to an end. They want something to come to an end for you here. So they're trying to cause an ending for you. Someone's trying to cause an ending. Their expectations, they're expecting things to, they're putting a lot of work in, and the work that they're putting in to do this, they're expecting it to happen. So that's not your reality though. You don't have to be you're not in agreement with that. Nevertheless, this is what they think they can achieve. They're trying to achieve this. They're trying to achieve cause an eruption into your home life so that you can miss out here with this tree of life, something that you are that has been blessed with. You have been blessed with, that you have been blessed to cause a interference in your blessing. But what God has for you is for you. What the universe is given to you is for you, and no one can do nothing about it. So someone is trying to interfere with that, so by causing distractions, and they don't want you to know this. They're hiding this behind the scenes. They don't want you to know that they're doing this, they're doing it behind the scenes. So potential outcome here, potential outcome. We have the Six of Swords, but you're moving on. You're moving on, and you're continuously moving forward, and someone does not like that, the fact that you are moving forward. So someone could be trying to hinder your growth process. They're trying to hinder your growth, trying to stop your growth, but you're moving forward. You move to calmer waters, and there's nothing that they could do about it. You are in alignment with your assignment. You're being guided. You're being shown the way. You're being led. While they're working under whatever moon, while they're working under the shadows and beneath the shadows, causing chaos and confusion, doing chaos magic, causing chaos and confusion behind the scenes. Look at that. All of that is murky, cloudy. That's cloudy. Trying to cause these illusions. You're moving forward. You're being led. You're being instructed. You're being guided. So, but nevertheless, they're trying to cause an ending for you. So, yeah, that's what we have. That's the current energy we have for you. Look at this. I look over here and this is what I see. The letter. You're receiving this message. You're going to receive some type of information. You're being shown this. So, thank you guys. And until next time, Taurus. Ciao.